We currently have a one-up bike rack that works really well when doing its main job at hauling bikes around. The problem with this rack is when you need to rotate it to the up or down position, it requires you to reach with one hand under or above the rack to pull the release lever and then use your other hand on the back of the rack to rotate it. There is also a 45-degree lock position that requires you to hold the release lever while rotating the rack to pass over the 45-degree lock position. One-Up sells an easy pull lever from $69 to $79 depending on if you have the 2-bike or 4-bike setup, and still requires 2 hands to operate. This is one of the more expensive racks on the market today, and in my opinion the easy release lever should have been included with the rack and not sold separate. So instead of buying the easy pull lever from One-Up, let's build our own. The home-built easy lever works perfect, and the design allows for easy one-handed operation. Thanks for watching.